Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. We'll be taking these pipe cleaners and put them together and cut it. Put it on the sides like this together, bend it like this and then press it from the between and tie it like this using another pipe cleaner. Keep fixing it like this in the same manner for few more times. Repeat the process. Now fold it from the sides as well and tie it like this from the downside. So now after tying it, spread it like this and then tie it with the single pipe cleaner, and then we'll be coloring it with the red color a little bit. Now take the white color threads and fold it. Now put the pipe cleaner and tie it like this on the top, and then you can, using the glue gun, will be pasting the petals like this. Now take the white color pipe cleaner, fold it like this, and then we'll be putting it on the sides. Apply the glue in the between and paste it like this. And look, your flower is almost done. Just fix the stick on the downside to make it stem and roll it with the green piece of paper and it's done. So now let's again make a beautiful flower. So for that we'll be taking this red color pipe cleaner and then we'll be tying them like this together. Now bend it little bit like this from the top and press it. Now we'll be taking green color pipe cleaner and then tie it like this, or just roll them together and press it from the top. Now in the same manner we'll be fixing it like this, few more as such. Now fix it like this by folding it and press it little bit like this. Fix it in the between and then roll it from the top like this and fold it. Keep fixing it like this as shown in the video and then put it again. Now after that we'll be folding it like this and put them together like this as shown in the video. Tie them as shown here. Now roll it like this. Now using a stick we'll be putting the petals together. So put the red color petals like this and then using the green one we'll be making the stands on the sides like this of a flower which it have. Now roll it with the green color paper or the stickers like this and it's done. So now let's make easy flower crafts. So we'll be taking the blue color pipe cleaners and then we'll be tying them together. Fold it like this. So now after that roll it from the side. So here we are making a ring of a flower shape. So tie it with the green pipe cleaner like this and then roll it. So now you can fix it like this and then roll the other pipe cleaner in the circular way and put it in the between like this. So now put a stone over it and you can see how we have got a beautiful flower bouquet. Now you can take the green color pipe cleaner in the same manner, roll it like this and then fold it from the top to put it on the downside. Take another stick, roll it like this and put them together by folding it. Fix it on the sides to make its leaves and it's done. So next we'll be making beautiful DIY flower crafts for the kids. So take a purple color pipe cleaner, cut it like this in these small pieces. Fold it like this and then using a circular stick we'll be folding it little bit. Make few more as such. Take a green color and then we'll be folding it from the downside like this. Make few more as such and then you have to paste it. Now we have to join them one by one around the stick like this to make the flowers. Keep pasting it and make the petals of the flowers. Take it till the end and here we are making a beautiful lavender flower. Now roll the stick with the green thread or the cello tape like this. Put the leaves on the sides and your flower is ready. Thanks for watching our video.